Is your Frigidaire Professional dishwasher acting up? Before calling for expensive service, try these 3 simple reset methods that can resolve most common issues and save you both time and money. Method 1 is the soft reset, which resolves about 60% of dishwasher issues. Simply press and hold the cancel or start cancel button for 3 to 5 seconds until all indicator lights turn off. Then wait 30 seconds before restarting your cycle. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset or power cycle. Turn off the dishwasher, then switch off the circuit breaker for 5 full minutes. This completely resets the electronic control system and resolves an additional 25% of issues. The third method is the control lock reset, used when buttons become unresponsive. Press and hold both the heated, dry, and normal wash buttons simultaneously for exactly 3 seconds. This disables the control lock feature that may have been accidentally activated. These 3 reset methods resolve the vast majority of Frigidaire Professional dishwasher issues. Start with the soft reset, which has a 60% success rate. If that fails, try the hard reset for an 85% overall success rate. Use the control lock reset specifically when buttons become unresponsive. Mastering these techniques can save you hundreds of dollars in unnecessary service calls. Before attempting any reset, the first critical step is to document any error codes or unusual symptoms your dishwasher is displaying. This information will guide your troubleshooting approach. Common error codes like I-10, I-20, and I-30 often indicate specific drainage issues that may require clearing blockages before attempting any reset procedure. Always start with a soft reset first. If the problem persists, move on to a hard reset. For persistent issues, consider a factory reset, though this is less commonly needed. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing issues. Clean filters and spray arms as part of your troubleshooting routine. This often resolves problems that resets alone cannot fix. If you've tried multiple resets and the problem continues, or if you notice physical damage to components, it's time to seek professional help. Don't risk further damage by continuing to attempt resets. Regular monthly maintenance resets can help prevent minor glitches from becoming major problems. Consider performing a soft reset after power outages or as part of your routine dishwasher care.